Hey, welcome back to the channel. So we have a watch in called the ALATO Arvet. This watch was designed by a civil engineer. His name is Pierre, out of Sweden. And this thing is just absolutely beautiful. I love the finishing on the dial. A lot of detail on this dial. Let's get the dimensions out of the way first real quick. So we've got 38 millimeters from side to side. We're coming in at 45 millimeters from lug tip to lug tip. We have 10.9 millimeters in thickness, and we have 20 millimeter lug opening. We have a very nice H-link style bracelet, brushed with polished links in the middle, and it is 20 millimeter and tapers down to 16 millimeter. Very nice, solid milled clasp. And we do have, do we have any micro adjustments? I believe, yeah, there is a type of adjustment on the inside of the clasp, kind of like a glide lock. You have a signed clasp. Very cool movement. We'll get into that in just a moment. If you look at this case, it looks like a Grand Seiko case. Very beautiful. I mean, the brushing, the polishing, everything about it. I just love the case. I really like Grand Seiko, and I like the style. I like how this looks. Look at that beautiful dial. You have that outer minute track. It has some like pebbling texture to it. The center of the dial has a different texture, and then that middle also. And then you have applied indices. BGW9 all throughout. Dial, you know, the indices, the hands. Also, I believe even the rotor is as well. I think that's loomed as well, which I've never seen that. That's going to be a first, and you can see it kind of around the edges of those there, of that rotor. So this looks like a rotary engine. That's what it kind of reminds me of. And of course, he is a engineer, so I get that. So this is a Miyota. It's running the Miyota High Beat 9039, which is a very good movement, tried and true. It does not have the date. It's a no date watch. It does have a boxed double dome sapphire crystal, kind of like a top hat sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. Let's see. Yes, it is. Screw down crown and screw down case back. And then you also have 100 meter of water resistance. So very, very good at the water resistance rating. Here's that movement. So it's a very nice movement. I like Miyotas. They seem to be very, very dependable and easy to adjust the regulation, and they keep very good time. So bracelet, solid end links. I like that it has the end links kind of just taper down, drape down over your wrist. Let me put it on my 7.5 inch wrist real quick, just so you can get an idea of how it wears. These are at this point in time on Kickstarter at $458 USD. I will have a link in the description to their website and also to Kickstarter, that we could check that out. This is all 316L stainless steel as well, so you know. Let's see, let's put it on my, oh, and shipping. They will be shipping these beautiful watches out. Oh wow, it's already sized to me. Look at that. They will be shipping these beautiful watches out in October of this year. So purchase one now, get in there on the Kickstarter, get a great price on it, and get one sent to you in October. So it wears really nice on my 7.5 inch wrist. I love the size of this case. You know, it's a sports watch, but it's also kind of dressy too. So I really, really like that. We have screw-in links. From what I understand, I think there's going to be a few little upgrades too. This is a prototype, but I think there's going to be a few upgrades that are going to make this even better. So right now, I really like what I see. I mean, the brushing on top of the case, the polishing on the sides, brushing on the actual flat, and then, you know, polished up on the top of the sides here. So I really like that. It's a nice looking watch. You have a polished bezel. So just beautiful. And these hands are awesome. So the indices are, you know, you got that gold indices with hands and second hand. The shape of them, that's really something different that I haven't seen. So, you know, the case, Like I said, it resembles a Grand Seiko, but I will tell you everything else is very original. And I've got to be honest, this is one of my favorite case shapes, case designs. So you know what? I really like this piece. I really do. So let's do a lume shot and then we can close. Lume shot. I just want to take this out in the sunlight. I like to do this with some watches. That way you can really see all that detail. But this is a really nice watch at this price point. There's a lot going on here. I think they did a great job with this. They really have. Pierre, my hat's off to you, brother. Great job on this. And then look at that rotor in the back. That is very cool as well. So anyway, we will go do a quick lume shot. Here's the lume. Kind of hard to focus, but very, very bright, evenly applied. BGW9 looks really, really good. Cannot complain. There it goes. Focus is a lot better there. So that second hand is not lumed, but everything else is. So I think that looks amazing. So like I said, sports watch, kind of dressy, but having that lume really makes it sporty. And so it's a pretty, it's a do-it-all. It's really a do-it-all timepiece. I like that. Here's the rotor in the back. You could see that. Let's see if I can make it move. There it goes. Very, very cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll have all the details for this watch in the description. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.